Hello students, how are you all? I hope you people are fine. This is my second video in which I'll be teaching further process of the trigonometry, for the problems of the trigonometry. We've already learned the introduction of trigonometry, the basic formulas. Okay. Now in this chapter, we are going to solve the problems which are there step by step. Okay. Before that, in every video, maybe in every initial part of the video, we'll be revising the formulas. I feel that every time which we are starting with the problems, we need to revise a formulas as we used to do in our class, like prayers. We are going to do formulas here. Okay, so let's get started. Trigonometry, we have seen all the usage and introduction and application and everything in last video. Just go and watch it. I have just given the link in the description. Now let's move forward. Trigonometry deals with all the calculations related to the right angle triangle. Okay, we have drawn this triangle in every problem. This is the thing that you need to start with the diagram of a triangle. Okay, so we are gonna calculate the ratios. Okay, the ratios of the trigonometry. So this is the theta ratio of this theta. Okay, we need to calculate. This is opposite of this theta, opposite side of this theta. This is the hypotenuse side of the theta, and this is the adjacent bazu wala side, what we say, it's adjacent side. Okay, now first we'll move on to the sine theta. This is one of the ratios. What is that? It is a ratio of trigonometry, ratios of the sides, you can say simply. Okay, sine theta and cos theta, we have 6 ratios. Tan theta, okay, cosecant theta, secant theta, and it's a cot theta. Okay, now what is sine theta? I just said you one of the thing to remember, that is nothing but old Harry and his old aunt. Okay, this is the easiest thing that you can just get clicked in your mind, these things. Okay, what is O? It is opposite. What is H? By hypotenuse. A is in adjacent, H is in hypotenuse. Okay, for hypotenuse. For tan theta, it's O by A. O is opposite, and what is A? Adjacent. Okay, fine. Now we have just learned that cosecant is the reversal of sine. That means it's a reversal of sine. Okay, that's nothing but, since it is opposite by hypotenuse, this will become ulta. That is hypotenuse by opposite. Fine. Now secant, see, this and this are related. Okay, now cos and secant are related, tan and cot are related, right? So secant theta is the reversal of the cos theta, 1 by cos theta. That is nothing but, what is cos theta? Uska ulta. What is that? H by A. Okay, what is cot theta? Nothing but the reversal of tan, 1 by tan theta. What is a tan theta opposite by adjacent? That will get reversed. That is nothing but adjacent by opposite. These are the 6 ratios which trigonometry deals with. So we need to play with these ratios in further classes also. And one more thing is that about tan theta, there is one more formula to derive this opposite by adjacent. That is nothing but sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay, tan theta is also equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. When when you solve this thing, when you solve putting the values, you will get derived to opposite by adjacent. Okay, are you people clear with this? With these formulas, one more formula that is very useful in our whole trigonometry is Pythagoras Theorem formula. What does it say? The hypotenuse square is equal to the squares of the sum of the squares of their sides. Okay, so it's that simple as that it is AC square. The hypotenuse is equals to AB square. plus BC square. Okay, that's nothing but the sum of, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of these sides. Okay, this is the most used formula. This formula is used because to know one of the side. In the problems, one of the side will be missing, so we need to arrive that side. Maybe it might be hypotenuse, it might be the opposite side that will be missing, it might be the adjacent side that will be missing. So using this formula, we'll be arriving any of the side. Okay, with the third problem for exercise 11.1. In a right angle triangle ABC with a right angle at B, angle BAC is theta, and in which it is given that A is 24 units, B is 25 units, then find cos theta and tan theta. Okay, this is the simple problem. Whenever there is a problem, the first thing to start a problem is a given aspect, writing the given aspect. What is given to us? We have to write A is 24 units. Okay, small b is 25 units. Okay, and angle B is equals to 90 degrees. That means that right angle triangle means at angle B it is a 90 degrees. Okay, angle BAC is theta. Now whenever there is a thing in the problem is given in this way, that angle BAC is theta, the middle part, the middle alphabet will be our theta. Remember, if it's CAB, then A is a theta. Even if it's ABC, then B will be theta. Okay, are you getting my thing? What am I saying? It is angle BAC is theta means angle A is theta. And whenever we have a problem of trigonometry, never ever forget to draw the diagram which is given. Okay, that is for the right angle triangle now, and in future, depending on the problem, usage of the application of the trigonometry, will be drawing the formula. Drawing the figure. Okay, so whenever there is a small a 24 units, that will be this way. Opposite of this a will be small a. Okay, small a is equals to 24 units. Okay, whenever the small b, the alphabet small b 25 units are given, it means that it is the opposite length of small this capital B, this angle B. This will be b is equals to 25 units. What is not given to us? C. This opposite of C is missing. What is C? The adjacent side. Okay. What is B? The hypotenuse. What for angle A? From point of view, we are saying C is missing, and this is the adjacent. Hypotenuse is given, and opposite of A. This is the line for the opposite of A. It's given, already given as 24. Okay, now the problem seems simple. Whenever one of the figure is missing, what we use? Hypotenuse theorem. We use Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. We can get it. Okay, now what is A? What we said, A is 24. This is BC. This is nothing but BC, which is equal to BC. What is B? It's nothing but AC. Okay, and C anyhow will be taking. Sorry, what is B? AC. Yeah. So we have AC. We have in our problem, we have the value of AC, we have the value of BC, but we don't have the value of AB. Okay, so now we are arriving at that value. How will we be arriving? AC, already take AC. What is AC? 25 square. AB is unknown still. BC is again, it is 24 square. Okay, now just solving this, taking the square roots, which implies 625 is equals to AB square plus 24 square. What is the square root of 24? It's 576. Okay. Now keeping AB here and sending this thing. AB square we are keeping as it is and sending this to here. 625 as it is. And this plus will get minus 576. Which implies AB is equals to root of 49. Nothing but AB is equals to 7. Easy now? It's a 7 units. This is 7 units. Now you can easily find out what? Cos theta. What is cos theta? Old Harry, old on and his. Okay, that is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? What is adjacent? We just now got it. 7. What is hypotenuse? Already we know it. 25 units. Okay. So cos theta is 7 by 25. Another thing we need to get is tan theta. Okay. So tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Okay. So that's nothing but tan theta is equals to what is opposite side? Opposite of this theta. Okay, 24 divided by what is the adjacent? Adjacent 7. Okay, we simply got the answer for this. Isn't it easy? In examination, please do present this way. You will score full marks, I'm sure about it. We will move on to the fourth problem now. Okay, let's read the question. If cos A is 12 by 13, then find sin A and tan A. Okay, since it's given as A, we will take this angle instead of theta, we'll take it as angle A. Okay, not a big deal. Okay, what's given? Only one thing is given and one ratio is given, and we need to arrive at sin theta and sin A and tan A. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is write the given aspects. Given is what? It's obviously a right angle triangle. Okay, when it's given in the ratio of trigonometries. Okay, next thing is that we need to mention about it. What is given? Cos A is given. Okay, what is that? 12 by 13. Another thing, nothing is given, nothing. From this thing, we'll be arriving at the opposite side, hypotenuse, and this and adjacent. Okay. So, what is a cos A formula? What is actually a cos A formula? Nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse, right? That means what is given? Given is 12 by 13. What is the formula cos A adjacent by hypotenuse? Means that adjacent by hypotenuse is equals to 12 by 13. It's nothing but we are equating the cos A. Okay. From here, we will be knowing that this ratio is of adjacent. What is adjacent? 12. Okay. What is the angle A's adjacent side? It is BA. Okay. It is nothing but AB by AC. Okay, hypotenuse is AC. AC is the hypotenuse, the longest side, and AB is the adjacent of angle A, right? So this is given as 12 centimeters. I mean 12. We don't know the measure of it. It is given 12, and the hypotenuse is given as 30. Now, is it easy to find out BC using the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem. From Pythagoras theorem, we are making out that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, what is AC square? It's 13 square. This is given. Okay, so, AB is given. Yes, AB is given as 12 square. I mean, it's given as 12 and we are squaring it up. Okay. What is BC? BC is given. BC, no. We need to find out this BC, right? So we are finding out BC. BC. Let it give BC square will be BC square. Okay. Now it's just the it's just simplifying the thing. Nothing else is left. Okay. 169 is 13 square. 144 is 12 square. Yeah, B square, which implies that BC square, it's nothing but we are copying exactly here, is equals to 169 minus 144, which implies BC is equals to root of 25, which is nothing but 5. Right? So this side we got as 5. Okay. Now we just got this side. Now finding sine A and tan A is very easy, isn't it? Now we are finding out what is sine A. What is the formula for the sine A? O by H. Nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite of this angle? It is BC. What is the hypotenuse? It is AC. What is BC just now? So sorry, maybe that visibility got crossed. Okay. Sine A is opposite by hypotenuse, which is nothing but what is opposite of A? It is phi. Okay. What is hypotenuse here? It is AC. Okay. So what is BC? Just now we got is the answer 5. Divided by what is AC? Sorry, what is AC? 13. So what? Nothing. We got this sine A as 5 by 13. Now what is tan? Tan A is nothing but what's the formula of the tan? Tell me the formula of the tan. It is, yes, opposite by adjacent. Okay. So what is opposite of angle A? It is BC. And what is the adjacent of angle A? It is AB. Okay. Now we know what is BC. We already know. Yes, it's 5. What is AB? It's 12. Answer. Wasn't it very simple? Now quickly move on to the fifth problem, that is if 3 tan A is equals to 4, then find sine A and cos A. This is nothing but similar problem which we have done, the fourth one we have done just now. Okay, it is very simple. What is the given aspect? The first thing we need to copy in exam is given aspect. What we are given with 3 tan A is equals to 4. Okay, now it is very simple. In 3 tan A is nothing but 3 into tan A. Okay, so tan A will be kept here and 3 will be sent here. So 4 by 3. We are given with tan A as 4 by 3. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is draw a triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, in exam. So because it's given in tan terms, we know that it is a right angle triangle. It is 90 degrees. Okay. So here the angle is A. So we'll be taking at A. Okay. Okay. Now what is the formula of tan A? What is the formula of tan? We know that tan A is equals to opposite by adjacent, right? Which is equals to nothing but 4 by 3. We got it from, it is the given answer. 4 by 3 is the given answer. So we can infer that opposite of angle ABC is, what is BC? What is opposite of angle ABC? It is 4. It's given here. Okay. And adjacent, what is adjacent? Adjacent of angle is, angle A is AB. That is nothing but it is 3. Okay. So we got AB, we got BC. Isn't it easy to get AC? Yes, it is very easy using Pythagoras Theorem. Always use this Pythagoras Theorem. What it says? Hypotenuse square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Sum of the sides, other two sides. Okay. What is AC square? We need to find AC square. Yes, we'll keep it as it is. What is AB square? What is AB square? It is 3. So it is 3 square. What is B square? It is 4. It is 4 square, right? So AC square is equals to 9 plus 16. What is AC? Root of 25. 9 plus 16 is 25. Okay. Now what is AC? 5. Simple. We got 5. We got this AC as 5. Now the things are easy for you to find out. What is sine? Now finding out sine A. What is sine A? Old Harry. Okay. That's just the thing to remember. Okay. Nothing but opposite. Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. What is opposite? What is opposite? BC. What is hypotenuse? By AC. What is the answer? BC. 4 by 5. Yes. Next is cos A. What is cos A? Old Harry and his nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Which is what is adjacent of angle A? It is AB. What is hypotenuse? It is AC. What is the answer? 3 by 5. Right? What is AB? It is 3. What is AC? It is 5. Okay. So we are getting 3 by 5. So this is the answer. Description. Okay, if you like my channel, surely subscribe this channel and like it, and you'll be getting more short tips and tricks now of the trigonometric formula, trigonometric ratios and identities. So stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye bye.